Browsing the internet on your TV with Chromecast.
Hello and welcome to this video. Today, we're going to talk about an interesting topic. Can Chromecast be used to browse the internet on a TV screen? The answer is, technically yes, but it's not as straightforward as you might think. Let's dive in.
What is Chromecast?
Chromecast is a device developed by Google that allows you to stream media content from your smartphone, tablet, or computer to your TV. Simply plug it into the HDMI port on your TV, connect it to the same Wi-Fi network as your device, and you're good to go.
Can Chromecast browse the internet?
Here comes the main question. Can Chromecast be used to browse the internet on your TV screen? The short answer is, there's no built-in browser in Chromecast, meaning you can't just open up a browser window on your TV using only the Chromecast. However, you can indirectly use it to browse the internet on your TV using a process called tabcasting or screen mirroring from your computer or smartphone.
How to use screen mirroring to browse the internet?
Screen mirroring or tabcasting means you project whatever is displayed on your computer or smartphone screen to your TV. Here's how you can do it. 1. Open Google Chrome on your computer. 2. Go to the website you want to browse. 3. Click on the three dots on the top right corner of Chrome and select Cast. 4. Then select your Chromecast device from the list. 5. Finally, choose to cast either your current tab or your entire screen. Voila! The contents of your Chrome browser, including any websites you navigate to, are now displayed on your TV. While Chromecast does not directly support web browsing on your TV, the screen mirroring feature makes it possible to display anything from your device, including a web browser, onto the big screen. It's a useful tool for showing off photos, videos, presentations, and yes, even browsing the internet. Thank you for watching this video. We hope it's been informative and helpful. Enjoy your browsing experience on the big screen.